Welcome to your Christmas meditation with Gillian from Yoga G. A meditation to relieve stress and leave you feeling calm and peaceful at this festive time. Christmas can be a stressful time for some of us, so for the next 20 minutes, put everything aside, let your body and mind begin to relax. Make any adjustments so that you can be comfortable, either lying down or in a seated position. And begin by bringing your awareness to your forehead, letting the forehead smooth and relax. Let your eyes soften into your skull. Let your jaw release. And let your tongue lie softly in your mouth. Let the shoulders relax away from your ears. And your arms be heavy and relaxed. The fingers curled inwards. Coming down the ribs to the stomach area, letting the stomach soften and relax. Coming down the thighs, into the calf muscles and shins, letting the leg muscles unwind, soften and relax. Into the feet and toes, letting any last energy left from the body drain from the soles of your feet into the earth below. Now your body is relaxed. Bring your awareness to your eyebrow center and focus on this dark space in front of your eyes. Visualize yourself standing in a field of crisp white snow. You are all wrapped up, nice and warm in your winter woolies, so you feel comfortable and warm. It is evening time, and the moon is shining high in the sky above, lighting up the snow so it twinkles like a beautiful white carpet of tiny little diamonds. You begin walking through the snow in your winter boots, hearing the crunch of the snow beneath your feet. There is snow all around, as far as the eye can see, and the moonlight shines on the fresh white snow, making it dazzle and sparkle like tiny crystals. Stop for a moment and watch the snowflakes fall silently to the ground. You feel the coolness of the snowflakes as they touch your uncovered skin. Cool and refreshing. Continue walking and you come to a hill. You are unaware as to what is beyond the hill, but you feel safe and comfortable to continue. Continue walking to the top of the hill, and as you reach the top of the hill, you see a beautiful little cottage. with smoke rising from the chimney out into the crisp winter night. The lights are on. You feel an inner warmth and glow as the little cottage looks so inviting. Walk down the hill towards the cottage. You smell the smoke from the chimney. And as you arrive at the cottage, go to the front door and knock on the front door. As you knock on the door, it slowly opens. The cottage feels familiar. You feel comfortable and at ease here. So although no one seems home, you walk into the cottage and see in front of you a blazing open fire and a soft, comfortable chair. Beside the fire is the most beautiful tree you have ever seen, with wide spreading branches, sparkling white lights, and beautifully coloured decorations. You take off your boots and coat. You hang your coat on a worn wooden peg by the door and walk towards the chair by the tree. You sit down onto the chair, realizing the effort it took to walk up the hill and through the snow. Below the tree on the floor are a variety of Christmas gifts of all shapes and sizes, all brightly wrapped with beautifully coloured wrapping paper and finished off with a perfectly tied bow. You gaze at the beautiful Christmas tree, adorned with Christmas lights that cast a warm, festive glow across the room. You take a deep breath in, taking in the scents of the pine-filled air mingling with the scents of peat logs crackling on the fire. As you study this glorious scene, you notice under the tree a gift with your name on it. Reach down and take it in your hands, feeling the smoothness of the wrapping paper and running the silk ribbons through your fingers. You feel just like an excited child on Christmas Eve, wondering what your present might be. The glow from the fire and the coziness of the cottage is making you feel very relaxed and sleepy. But you are too curious as to what your unknown treasure might be. And once you are sure no one is watching you, you pull the ribbons from the present and the ribbons fall away easily. Peel back the brightly coloured wrapping paper and you hold your breath with anticipation as it reveals a brightly coloured box. With excitement, you open the box see inside the most perfect gift just for you. This is a unique gift, especially for you and made with love. You feel a wave of gratitude wash over you, and you thank the universe for this blessing and unique gift. You are so grateful you have stumbled over this hidden gem, a sanctuary away from all the hustle bustle, where you feel a warmth and tranquility. Although you would feel comfortable and happy to stay in this peaceful little home, you now know it is time to return to your own home. So you go to the door, put on your boots, take the coat from the peg and put it on. And putting your coat on, making sure to zip it up to the top so you can remain cozy out in the winter air. Carefully place your special and cherished present into your pocket. And as you leave, you gently close the cottage door so as not to make a noise, disturb the wonderful silence of the night. Begin to make your journey back to your home through the white snow, feeling blissful and content. Slowly begin to bring your awareness back to the now, into your body, becoming aware of the surface below you. You may wish to make a movement to the fingers and the toes, and in your own time you can open your eyes. Thank you for listening to this Christmas meditation, and may you have a wonderful Christmas and a happy New Year.